Hey guys, we are here, underneath my Celica today, trying to figure out why my speedometer won't work. So, a brand new gear, the cable is intact all the way up to the speedometer. I'm going to try to show you what I have found to be the problem, or what I think is now the problem. Let's see if we can get the lighting right. This is going to be a hard one to show you guys, but I'm going to try. Get that lighting up in that hole. Which is right where we need the camera to be. There we go. Do you guys see that little gear right there? You see that gear? Let's try to get a little. There you go. Now you can see that little gear. Not sure if you're going to be able to see it, but if you go about an inch up from that gear, you'll see a little hole. This gear has some sort of a spring on it that holds it into place, and it has popped out and traveled backwards about an inch, which is, I think, what's keeping my speedometer from working. So let's see if we can pop that back into place or if it's destroyed. Let's see here. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. This is going to be some terrible viewing today, guys. This is not the easiest place. That is exactly what is freaking happening. What the heck? I have never seen anything like that in my life. That is crazy. Gotta get back to it. Sorry guys, the lighting is terrible, but if you look now, it has moved forward. So I'm gonna get that back in place and hopefully my speedometer will start working again. Isn't that wild? That is crazy.